Okay, another vlog, and the verse of the day is John 3:17. For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but to save the world through him. Lord, so you're gonna watch me throw a stuffed animal around.
Ah.
Drop. What's it? Lava, you got it. Oh, Lala's too good at it. Lala's too good at it. Lala, get up here. Lala, roll it. I think I'm scared.
Scurry on the floor. We are going to get cookies now, and I'm putting on my shoes, and there's a piece of grass on it.